Dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I stand here today in front of you to present the vote of thanks on behalf of Chindaddy, as I call him, Bobby to all of you, and Josephine. More importantly, I stand here today representing my father, Bobby's brother, Ranganatha Rao, who would have been so immensely proud and delighted. My father did have the opportunity to read parts of the book. So presenting the vote of thanks is a challenge in itself because this stands between a fantastic event that we had and drinks and dinner. So bear with me because I really need to thank few people without whom today's book launch would not have been possible. To start with, Connor, the author of the book, for tirelessly working over 2 years. It is no mean feat to capture a life journey that spans over 2 countries. There are 2 parts to Bobby's life, one before 1988 in India and the one after 1988 in Ireland. Thank you, Connor, for opening Bobby's life before 1998 to his family and friends in Ireland, and Bobby's life after 1988 to all of us in India. Connor visited India to meet people, as he mentioned, twice. He interviewed over 60 people to understand Bobby's life journey. And he went to all the places that Bobby grew up, right? The lanes of Walkertown, Swatantra Colony. He went everywhere. And a lot of research went into the book. The book, therefore, is an output of a very committed individual, which reflects his passion and his ability to relate to Bobby's life and bring out Bobby's life in the most amazing manner. And Connor is not a professional sports correspondent. But Connor, congratulations on your first book and wishing you many more. Thank you. I would like to thank the distinguished dignitaries on the dais, Mr. C.V. Anand, Mr. Roger Binney, Mr. V.V.S. Lakshman, and Jayesh Garu, for readily agreeing to grace the occasion and share their thoughts despite their super busy schedules. To put an event together like this successfully requires a team that's always coordinating, that's challenging each other, that is debating and coming up with the best. So this is to the team that made this event possible. First, Mr. Nello Emmanuel and Mr. Krishnadas for their valuable inputs in shaping this event for us. The execution team, Louis Varghese and his team, for working on the changes in the format of the book, the printing of the book, sitting with the printer for hours together, and the number of meetings that they attended at short notice and being patient with us. A special mention to Louis' niece, Akanksha, who is just 14 years old. She is the one who designed the invite. So well done and thank you, Akanksha. And the 2 men behind the scenes who did a lot of running around and in some cases made us run as well. Swaroop and Badri Vishal, thank you very much. And like Bobby said to the media, they've always been very friendly with him in his playing days and in his non-playing days. Secunderabad Club for the very beautiful venue. Kushal from Zonads for the creative work that we're seeing today. Bahadur for all the arrangements. Venkatesh Pardasarathi for managing Bobby's Twitter account. Mr. Hari Mohan for being a wonderful host. Last but not the least, all of you for being part of this momentous occasion and coming here on a Saturday evening. Thank you so very much for joining us and have a wonderful rest of the evening. Thank you.